guys, so this is Drilla, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you DIY your own decorative terrarium. And this is easy to do, but you need a lot of ingredients and stuff, and I didn't really use all of them as I need and as I found online, but that's okay. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Please send me your pictures on Twitter or Instagram if you did terrarium by these tips. So let's go! So you will need a charcoal, but I took an activated carbon because I didn't have that one. Sphagnum moss, gravel, ground, sand, plants, and some aquarium or a bowl for your terrarium. So I take my bowl/aquarium and add some gravel in there. Next, I add activated carbon, but as I said, the best thing is charcoal, but I took an activated carbon. Then I put sphagnum moss into a bowl, and it has some functions, but please put it under gravel. Next, I add ground to my terrarium. And time to plant flowers. I chose cactuses and a plant which is a name I don't know, so please write in the comments if you know the name of it. And then I add ground. Next, I put some rocks to decorate my terrarium. It is a dessert. So thank you so much for watching, and thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Hello. I know that you've already saw the video, but that's okay. Hello. Send me some pictures on Instagram or Twitter if you did the terrarium. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!